What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Thursday over here. This will be my third and probably final post here on YouTube. On this post, I'm going to be talking to you guys about EGLD and see what's going on in this market. Currently, we do have Bitcoin and the crypto markets overall bleeding. Bitcoin down over 4% the last time I saw. That's basically dragging a lot of the altcoins with it. So we're going to be taking a very quick look into Bitcoin on this post because I've already done a much more detailed analysis on Bitcoin in the previous post today. So if you guys are interested in that, do check it out. But on this post, going to be just going over Bitcoin very briefly. The main topic of this post is going to be MultiversX, EGLD. See what's going on in this market. Could there be a huge drop coming, or could the price action could actually rebound from here and take this price action to some upside? We're gonna be taking a look into that, some upwards price targets as well as downwards price targets and key levels that the price action would need to break to get to either of those targets. Going to be giving you guys my personal opinion and sentiment on this market as well, so do stick around. Of course, none of this is financial advice, nor I am not a financial advisor, nor am I an elite trader of any sort. It's my sole opinion only, so do your own research and due diligence, right? But I am a profitable trader who's managed to keep most of my profits in the last bear markets, and I'm looking to crush it here in the next bull cycle. So if you guys feel the same way, hit that like, hit that subscribe button for me. Let's go right into the charts. All right, so we do have EGLD here, also called MultiversX now. Currently at about just right underneath $26. On this monthly time frame here, we do have a falling wedge pattern that seems to be still intact. Falling wedge patterns usually break to the upside, and if this price action does break to the upside, then we have a measured move of about $77, $78 range. Okay, now measure moves are estimates only. Okay, it could be over, under, and it could probably take some time to get there if it was to get there. Do your own due diligence and research on measure targets, measure moves. Don't just take my word for it. Learn how to chart on your own. That's most important. Making your own calls and analysis. Because at the end of the day, it's you that's going to be responsible for your money, right? So this is what I'm seeing. This is the measure move out of this falling wedge pattern. In my opinion, it's going to be very, very dependent on what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin can actually hold that rising channel pattern I've been talking about, refer to my previous posts, then it will look a lot better for the altcoins. Also, Bitcoin does need to break above and hold that weekly 200 SMA, the daily 200 SMA, very important key moving averages to hold, right, for itself and the crypto markets. Now that's basically the upside of EGLD. Because of this pattern, it could take quite some time to play out, because as you guys can see, this is the monthly time frame. Each candle here is 1 month's time, and price action has been running within this pattern for probably even a year. Okay, right? So it's gonna take some time to play out. It's gotta have some patience here for sure. That is the upside. Always gotta consider the downside. Price action is currently at a previous support, which is also the the bottom trend line of this pattern here. If the price action breaks the support, as you guys can see from previous candles here, it was at about $27 for support at this green candle. Next move downwards, you guys can basically go to the previous candle close for support, which is about $20. So that's a pretty good drop there, right? In that case, the price action here, if it falls down to $20, just gonna have to refresh this bottom trend line here. It looks like it should still keep a falling wedge form, right? It looks like it should. Okay. We're gonna revisit this. If that does happen, and if enough of you guys want to keep seeing updates on this coin. I don't have this coin at the moment, but I will open positions if I see a good setup here. If enough of you guys want to see it, just comment, like, subscribe. Let me know if you guys want to see it. If enough of you guys do, I will do a follow-up. But that looks to be the next drop here at about $20 range from this candle. Let's talk about the major moving averages, right? Basically all on top of this price action right now. Monthly 21, pretty far away, $76. Not even gonna worry about that right now, because it's so far away, right? If it gets up to $76 in the short term, then that could be resistance. But right now, I think it's not really something to worry about, at least on the monthly time frame. On the weekly time frame here, 21 SMA, 50 SMA, basically between the price action here and the upper trend line, very close to the upper trend line. 3-day moving averages are two of them are within the pattern. The 3-day 200 SMA is at about $69, so not something to really worry about at the meantime, at least in terms of resistance. Daily moving averages are within this pattern, so it looks like if the price action is able to break out of this pattern, there's not that many major moving averages that could be acting as resistance. Okay, so that's basically what I'm looking at. My sentiment opinion on this market, very much dependent on Bitcoin. Like I said, if you guys want to know a more detailed analysis on Bitcoin, do check out my previous posts today or even a couple of days back. I don't think it has really changed that much since Bitcoin hasn't really been doing that much except for today. But what I'm really focusing on is on the weekly time frame. We do have a monthly candle close coming within the next few hours, but on the monthly time frame, it still looks all right, I think, because we're still very close to that monthly 50 SMA. Let's take another look here. It looks like we're still above it or very close to it. I don't think on the monthly time frame here is giving us too much of a clue what could be going on, so I'm focusing on the weekly time frame for both Bitcoin and the crypto market's sake. All right, now if you guys made it this far into this video and don't already have a Webull account but want to get some free stocks, make sure to check out my referral link down below. They're still giving away free stocks when you guys sign up for an account and deposit $100 US. They're giving away free stocks still from $3,000 to $3,000, depending on your luck. Terms and conditions do apply, but you know, if you guys are going to trade, might as well get some free stocks. I did enjoy using Webull as an exchange. I think they were great for beginners. But with any exchange, I would not put most or all my money into one exchange, just in case they could go down, as we have seen. So I personally spread my money around several exchanges, so in case one goes down, I am not wrecked. Now, this basically wraps it up for my update here. I'm still bullish on the market. I still have some altcoins, and I'm looking for a good setup to get back in, but I don't think right now is necessarily a good time. Not unless Bitcoin either, breaks above certain levels or breaks down from certain levels. So that's basically my update for this post. Hope you guys liked it. Like the video, subscribe, comment. See you guys next time.